What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting the car aligned. I have an appointment tomorrow at 1 o'clock, but I'll be at work, so I'm just gonna get the car dropped off tonight and pick it up tomorrow after work. So that's the plan. About to head there now. I'm gonna take it nice and easy. The wife's gonna be following me. I'll just be riding back with her, but let's see if we can get there in one piece. We made it. 1 month later, we are back. What's going on, you guys? We just gave the Honda a little bath. Had to get rid of all that pollen, man. This year the pollen it's already off the chain. But we're gonna backtrack to last weekend. We did an install video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out real quick. We did upper control arms, lower ball joints, and we did rear camera arms. Since then, I lowered the car a little bit more, kind of got everything a little bit more dialed. I'd like to drop the car a lot lower, but I'm pretty happy with where she's currently sitting. So since then, Tuesday I got the car aligned, and these past few days I've been riding on the car, and the car feels great. I'm really happy we did all those upgrades that we did. Still a lot coming. These past few weeks we've made some decent progress with the car, but we still have a long way to go. So you guys stay tuned. There's a bunch more to come. Next week's video, we're gonna be focusing on doing more interior work. We're gonna be going over the seats again, and then we're gonna be finally getting this carpet back installed, and super stoked to see it. I finally opened up the box yesterday to see the color, and it's the same as what we previously had. It's just clean. But that's kind of my goal for this car, just keep everything stock looking, keep it OEM plus. I mean, other than Skunk2 stuff, it's not really OEM plus, but yeah, we're slowly getting there with the car, and eventually we'll be jumping into this guy. We'll be doing some more engine work and stuff. But right now I'm just trying to focus on getting my daily to where I want it and to where it needs to be. And we've been doing pretty good. But like I said, we're a long ways away to where I want her. But that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I mean, it was a pretty short video. It was pretty boring. We just got the car aligned and got it all cleaned up and everything. But thank you guys for tuning in with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.